Hello friends, welcome to Hello English. My name is Rupam. In today's video, we are going to discuss about 5 daily habits that will make you fluent in English and make you strong in English. I've come up with this video because many of my friend subscribers like you ask me that they do everything to improve their English, but unfortunately, it is not happening. In this video, you will find 5 tips which I will share with you, and if you follow this, I can tell you your English will improve within very short period of time. हाँ, आप जल्दी से जल्दी English सीख पाओगे, believe me. But you have to stick to this plan, you have to be focused, you have to work hard, and that's all you need. So my dear friends, let's get started. The first thing what you have to do, every day make a habit of reading. Yes, every day make sure that you read at least 20 to 30 minutes. When I say reading, it's not just taking the book and reading like murmuring. No, you have to read it loud and clear. Remember, it should be loud and clear. When you read, what happens? Your mind is working on English. Suppose you have a book, okay? And when you start reading loud and clear, your mouth is talking in English. You were able to learn some new words, new vocabulary. Your pronunciation improves. Your accent develops. So this is a wonderful habit. The first habit is reading, and this is wonderful. Why it is wonderful? It's because a lot of things happens when you read. I got the proof. When I was in the process of learning English, my English was not improving at all, believe me. So one of my teacher, he told me that why don't you start reading? When I started this habit, believe me, within 3 months' time, I was able to remember so many new words. I was able to speak English much better than before. And what I used to do, whenever I used to get some new words or phrases, I used to underline that. And I used to try how to use those words and phrases. Now suppose I have this paragraph, okay? Let me read it out for you. In 1721, Thomas Newcomen invented an early engine, though it wasn't very successful. Later in 1776, James Watt improved upon Newcomen's design and introduced the steam engine, which was groundbreaking. Now, groundbreaking is a word I'm sure many of you don't know. What you will do? You will pick this word up, go to dictionary or go to Google, try finding the meaning of the word. When you find the meaning of the word, try to form sentences. So what you can do, see, let's find the meaning of the word. Meaning of groundbreaking, okay? So groundbreaking means something that is very new and different, which is something new and different. Now you have to make sentences with that. So this is a very important thing. Whenever you read, pick up the words, try to learn those words, try to learn how these words are used. The second daily habit, what you have to pick up, is listening. Start listening in English every day for at least 20 to 30 minutes. See, when I say 20 to 30 minutes, I'm not saying that you listen for continuously for 20 minutes. No. Suppose in the morning, you get 10 minutes of free time. Listen to something in English, whatever you like. It can be interviews, it can be news, it can be some audio clips, it can be some comedy series, it can be some songs. Yes, songs. English songs you can pick up and you can listen. Now in the evening also you get some time, 10 minutes say. So in those 10 minutes, if you want, you can listen to the same thing again because it will give you a better understanding of what you're listening. Now one very important thing I would like to tell you, whenever you pick something to listen, make sure that the accent is clear and understandable. What do I mean? I mean to say, listen to something which you understand. Easy accent. Don't pick up some videos or audios from America, from Australia, which will be so difficult for you to understand. Instead, pick something like from Indian accent or some easy accent, like this type of videos.
I think somewhere a lot of us are still colonized in our minds. We need to come out of that. So it is important to tell stories and tell the right stories in the right manner because stories sway people.
Got it? Thirdly, what you have to do, develop the habit of talking to yourself. I use that a lot. When I was learning English, I used to talk to myself a lot. I will say this is the best way to develop your English. If you're alone, if you don't find anyone around you, this is the best way which will enhance your English skill. 15 to 20 minutes every day. You get a small place for yourself, okay? Just fix a place for yourself. In that place, make sure that every day for 15 to 20 minutes, you sit down, relax, just focus what you are going to do next. Then pick up a topic and just start speaking. You can also do like this. Think that you are a doctor. Okay, how you will be talking to your patient, or you are a customer support executive from a company. How you will talk to your customers. Try this, create something new and learn. Let's move on to the fourth point. Now, before I go to the next one, I would like to say I've started another English channel, something very beautiful, something very interesting and useful. I'll give the link in the description. If you want, you can subscribe to that. The fourth habit is try to learn at least 3 words every day. Yes, my dear friends, if you want to improve your English fluency, how it will happen? First step is learning vocabulary. Once you know vocabulary, you will be able to form some sentences. From those sentences, you will be able to start having conversation with others. So, vocabulary, then comes sentences, then easy conversation. So it is very important to pick up words and learn those words. Learn the meaning of the words, try to form sentences with that, try to use those words in your daily life. Let me give you 3 words, 3 new words, and the meaning of those words and some sentences with that. Got it? Finally, what you have to do? You have to review your day by writing what you did the entire day. A great way to improve your English, your thinking in English skill will improve. What to do here? At the end of the day, just relax, sit down, take a pen and a paper. What you have done the entire day, just put it in your notebook. Small sentences, easy sentences. What is happening here? Wonderful things are happening. You are thinking in English and you are just writing it down. Also, you can write what you're going to do the next day. Put your plans in the paper. So whatever I have told you today, the 5 daily habits, you need to work on this with full concentration and focus. And I can tell you, if you do this, your English will reach the next higher level. Your English will be standard and people will love you, respect you. I would love to see you again. Thank you so much.